Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Something excited just landed and I can't wait to show you guys. So what's inside this box? Let's find out. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone came out last year. I'm late, but hey, better late than never. This thing I'm doing, peeling off that back sticker, and can we just take a moment? And I've been so excited to finally unbox this. Just look at this packaging. And there she is, fresh out of the box. One of my favorite parts of any unboxing. So satisfying. Look at it, so clean and beautiful. This phone looks and feels like jewelry, honestly. Titanium silver blue finish, sleek, shiny, and just really elegant. It catches light beautifully. Now look at this camera setup. 4 lenses, 200 megapixel main camera. Yes, 200. Around the sides you've got this clean titanium frame and your USB-C charging port right there. Solid build all around. Look at this screen, edge to edge, no bezels, just pure glass. The display is 6.9 inches and I think it's absolutely massive. Everything looks so crisp and vivid on it. Let's talk about what's actually inside the box, and I want to be honest here, you get the charging cable and booklet and that's it. No adapter included. Samsung, come on. So make sure you already have your own adapter ready before you buy this. Just quickly going through the phone, everything feels clean, smooth, and premium. Nothing overwhelming, which I appreciate. And now, my absolute favorite part of this entire phone, the S Pen. Samsung is literally the only flagship brand in the world still including a pen with their phone. Nobody else does this anymore, and I think that's pretty special. Look how smoothly this glides. Zero lag, super precise. You can write, sketch, take notes, navigate. It genuinely feels like a real pen on paper. I was just doodling around and I was really impressed. Alright, let's test this camera. Pointing it at these plants and zooming in, look at that detail. Every single leaf is sharp, clear, and crisp. This is straight out of the camera, no editing, nothing. Just pure camera quality. Blew my mind. I zoomed into this decoration piece across the room and guys, you can literally see the dust on it. The dust! I don't know whether to be more impressed by the camera or more embarrassed about the dust. So look, I know this phone isn't brand new anymore, but honestly, the design is stunning, the camera is incredible, and that S Pen makes it truly one of a kind. It's still a fantastic choice, especially if you want a premium flagship without paying for the absolute latest model. This was just a fun unboxing though, and not a detailed specs video. If you want me to cover the full specifications and features in depth, drop a comment below and I'll make that video next. If you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe. It really means a lot. See you in the next one.